Hi Sam, are you ready? Can you find the chicken? Where is the chicken? Good boy. 1, 2, 3. Chicken. Can you find the cat? Where is the cat? 1, 2, 3.
Cat.
Good job. Can you find the mouse? Okay, very good. Where is the sheep? All right. Where is the sheep? Meh. Where is that? Where is it? Oh, very good job. 1, 2, 3. Sheep. Okay. Where is a cow? 1, 2, 3. Cow. Very good. Where is a dog? Amazing. Good answer. 1, 2, 3. Dog. Where is a pig? Where is a pig? This one? Good boy. 1, 2, 3. Pig. Get. Duck. Well done.